Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza grilled cheese. The ingredients that we're going to need today are Texas toast, your favorite pizza sauce, sliced mozzarella cheese, and also pepperoni. Now you want to turn your oven to 425 degrees. You want to get a baking sheet and place your Texas toast onto it. The Texas toast that I'm using has real garlic. So we're going to bake our toast for 7 minutes, just till the edges get nice and crispy. Okay guys, after 7 minutes, you want to go ahead and get your pizza sauce. And we're just going to top the Texas toast with it. And go ahead and put that on top of it. Okay, now we're going to take our pepperoni and we're going to put about 6 slices on top of our pizza sauce. Now we're going to add our slice of mozzarella cheese on top. Then we're going to go back in with 6 more slices of our pepperoni. Now we're going to top them again with another slice of mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to add some sauce to our Texas toast, the bottom half. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and place that over top. Okay guys, to a heated griddle, I started to brush on some olive oil, just a little bit. And we're just going to place our pizza grilled cheese on top. Just for a couple minutes so they can get nice and toasty and the cheese can melt. Okay guys, as you see, they're nice and toasty and the cheese is starting to melt. Okay guys, they're now done. As you can see, the cheese is melted, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them in half. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pizza grilled cheese. Your whole family will love this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet? Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?